smart glasses.
Are you recording, by the way?
Yeah.
So we're going now to the media room, CS. It's a break-in period for us now. Α, εδώ είναι η Samsung που είναι μέσα. Εδώ έχει η Samsung το τέτοιο.
Samsung is both these and obviously.
Yes. Τεράστιο μέρος. Χαμός. Τι έκανες πάλι, ρε?
Το μικρόφωνο. Hello. Το μικρόφωνο. Το ρόντερ.
Ναι.
Του λέω μην ανησυχείς το όπλο μου, το έχω αλλού, δεν το έχω μαζί.
Εδώ δεν είναι τίποτα γι' αυτό, σου όλοι έχουν όπλα εδώ.
Ναι, του λέω το έχω αλλού, το λέω, δεν το έχω εδώ.
Τις, yeah. Thank you. Κοντά στην πόρτα εγώ λέω, για να μπορούμε να φύγουμε.
Okay. Okay.
Sorry, I'm
Cool.
it's coming in from the other direction.
Μου κάνει εντύπωση που όπου και να γυρίσω και να δω είναι όλοι παιδιά άνω των 50.
Έρη, ξέρεις ότι μπορεί να το πούνε αυτό κάποια στιγμή σε ηλικία και για μας.
Ρε παιδί μου, δεν θέλω να πω αυτό που βλέπω.
Βέβαια,
γιατί
εμείς μην το
περισσότερο
δείχνουμε
είναι
μετά.
άνω των 60. Άμα γυρίσεις γύρω σου και δεις, είναι άνω των 60.
Κάτσε να γυρίσω, να ρίξω ένα λόγο.
Τελικά εδώ μπροστά.
Εντάξει.
Δεν βλέπω νέα άτομα να ασχολούνται με την τεχνολογία.
Μα δεν είναι τεχνολογία.
Εντάξει, ό,τι και να είναι. Δημοσιογραφία, άντε, πάρ' το πώς θες.
Δίπλα έχει ένα τάμπλετ για να κρατάει σημειώσεις. Εμείς, σαν κλασικοί Έλληνες, πήγαμε, δανειστήκαμε ένα παλιοτεύτερο.
Για να γράφουμε τα ψώνια.
Για να κάνουμε τα ψώνια. Κλέψαμε και ένα στυλό. Εντάξει, είχε διαφημιστικά στυλό. Οπότε συγκρίνεται τώρα το πώς είναι ο Άγγλος που έχει το τάμπλετ, εκεί τα iPad, τα κινητά, όλα αυτά. Εγώ τραβάω με τα γυαλιά το βίντεο, το τευτέρι εδώ, τον μπακαλοτεύτερο. Το στυλό που τον πήγες, θα τον έδωσε σένα. Την εξαφάνισε το στυλό.
Το μπακαλοτεύτερο.
Έτσι,
Είναι
παιδιά.
με γραμμούλες και όλα. Α, καλά. Θα το δώσω στη μάνα στο σημείο τα ψώνια μετά.
Αυτός το είχα κατασημειώσει, μας κάνουν ερωτήσεις μετά δηλαδή.
Μάτα ρε τσιγάρι.
Ξέρω εγώ δεν πάτε, δηλαδή το βλέπω, το έχει πάθει σοβαρά.
Έχω πεθάνει στο γέλιο ρε.
Το έχει πάθει σοβαρά αυτό στο ρόλο του, εντάξει. Πω ρε μαλάκα.
Ναι ρε, αλλά ο δίπλα είναι από περιοδικό. Είναι διαφορετικό. Αυτοί έχουν μάθει να γράφουν.
So today we're going to cover a number of different topics, technologies, trends, companies, and data points. And that's because innovation is like the humans it benefits. It's never just one thing. Today's story has 5 themes, so we're going to dive in on the first one.
And to understand how technology changes, we first have to understand how the people using it are changing.
Μεταπέτ. Μάλιστα. Έρη, πάμε. Το άμα το δουν οι γάτοι θα παλαβωθούν.
Under Max, it's not always easy to introduce this to a bunch of people.
Yeah.
Yeah, awesome.
Clean my
This is
Mac
completely
business.
unrelated. This is just merchandise.
Ah,
But yeah, so this is the product that's launching on Tuesday. It's our newest addition to the Clean My Mac family. This is just a little ticket to come visit us at the booth on the main floor. On the back of it is Instagram filter. If you tag us, you'll get a coupon code to our product.
ah, okay. Yeah, θες, πάρε.
Please.
Πάμε. Πάμε.
And let me scan you as well.
Okay, sure.
Yeah. Oh, from Cyprus, right?
We're Greece, but we live in Cyprus, yeah.
Now, on Tuesday, would you be interested in receiving a press release from us?
Yes.
To see the product? Okay, great. I can also, when I email you, I'll let you know, but we can set you up with your own organization so you can try out the software yourself
Thank
and
you.
take a look.
Appreciate it.
Of course, yeah. One of you, both of you?
We're
Want to see. So what this is about?
Excuse me.
Right. Basically, this is called Holiday, created
Yeah.
by Judges Labs and Movie.
Yeah.
Here, the secret sauce is like we have a secret display over here. So when you put the glasses on, you'll be seeing a display floating in
Okay.
the air. But like without being noticed, like you know the one, for instance, the one I'm wearing, probably you wouldn't see like I'm actually can see something.
Yes.
In front of me. You wanna try it?
Yes. Yes, sure.
Thank you very much.
That's
What do you see? What do you see?
Let me. We can do something else. Let's try this.
What do you see?
You can use it as teleprompter.
Yeah.
That's very smart.
So you can make a video. You can make a video
Yes.
and read from the glasses
Yes.
instead of a teleprompter. Wow.
And every feature, and I also like many of the features supported in the cloud as well. Like we have a server, so if like something that's still unveiled today is the AI feature. Like, that's why I put that on the poster. That this is actually the first.
Oh, you have a
practical-
poster? I'm gonna take one.
It's over here.
Okay.
So when are they're going to be available? And if you have an MSRP?
Price.
We would say like as soon as possible for sure.
yeah.
But it's gonna be on the like we'll be going for the crowdfunding.
Crowdfunding.
The crowdfunding, yes.
Okay.
So you don't have an MSRP yet?
No, we do. Like 3K for this moment. And
How much?
The price wise, it's gonna be like $369 for the early bird.
Okay.
Nice, so
Hello.
cheaper than the Meta.
Yeah.
Also, including a ring,
Including
A
your
ring. Yeah,
And
smart
what's that
ring.
gonna do?
remotely controlled.
Wow.
Hi. On Hago Busters, we also do NAS reviews and stuff and power. Yeah. We're among the very few that. Yeah. Okay.
Like X series. And this is the 6 base. 6
Sick day. Yeah. So how can we come in contact with you to have some samples for reviews and stuff like that on outside?
Are you media or?
Media.
Okay. Contact me, but I forgot my business card.
So how will contact you in a way? Eh?
Let me give you my card.
Sure.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So these are the specs of the U-Green NAS.
Sample fine.
NATO.
And this is thank you very much. Κράτα λίγο.
Sure. Yeah.
This is a desktop charger.
This is a
Wow.
Making a video already.
Sorry guys. Sorry.
For the glasses.
500 watts.
If
Is
you're
500.
interested in our new products, you can join our
Yeah.
production.
Wow.
okay.